2, 1. I'd say we got a good dump. Not sure what the sugar water's doing for me, but I'm out of here. I completely forgot to put the top on earlier when I ran off, but they look like they're on a march. Not sure if they know which way they're going, but they're marching. So hopefully she's inside, not outside. I have no idea. Alright, I brushed them to the front, hoping I could restart their march. And oh, they're marching somewhere. No clue. If I got queen on the outside or queen on the inside, but we'll see what happens. Steadily marching outside the box. Great job. And they're back in the tree, which means I probably missed my queen. So I'll try to dump them again and see what happens. Alright, I just gave them a second shake and I put a second top box on. And they seem like well, they don't seem very happy. They're everywhere. But they look like they might be going in the box this time. Might be marching in. I'd say that's a march in right there. Look at them go.